Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by warming the engine for 5 to 10 minutes to thin the oil. This helps faster, cleaner drainage. Once done, park level, set the parking brake and lift the rear slightly, secure with jack stands. Make sure you have the correct oil type and filter and a drain pan positioned under the oil pan. Next, remove the oil fill cap to allow air in. These first steps reduce splashing, speed up flow, and make the rest of the job straightforward and safer. With the drain pan in place, loosen the drain plug using a 1/2-inch socket and let the oil flow until it slows to a steady drip. That ensures most contaminants exit. While it drains, loosen and remove the oil filter. Watch for residual oil. Clean the filter mounting surface and check the old gasket. Prime the new filter with fresh oil and thread it on by hand until snug, then give a quarter to half turn as specified. This prevents dry starts and ensures proper sealing when you refill. After installing the new filter and reinstalling the drain plug, refill the engine with the specified 6 quarts of oil and check the dipstick for proper level. Replace the oil cap, start the engine for 30 to 60 seconds, then recheck level and inspect under the vehicle for leaks. To reset the oil life on a 2023 Grand Cherokee, turn ignition to on, navigate settings vehicle oil life, and select reset. If the lamp remains, verify.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.